You paste a long doc into a chatbot, ask it about the first page, and it acts like that page was never there. Nothing's broken. You just ran out of room. If you're building on top of an AI, this is the ceiling everything hits. Cross it, and your feature quietly starts forgetting things. That ceiling has a name. It's the context window. And the easiest way to get it is to think about packing a bag for a flight. Picture one bag for a flight. The airline gives you one weight limit, and everything you bring has to fit under it. Your clothes, gifts for the family, that gadget a friend asks you to carry, it all shares the same bag. And there's a scale at check-in. You can't feel the grams, but the scale can, right down to the last one. Go over the limit, and something has to come out at the counter. Whatever you leave behind doesn't make the trip. That bag is the context window. The limit isn't weight, though. It's tokens. Think little chunks of text, about a word each. 4 things share that space. The instructions you set up top, the whole chat so far, any docs you pasted, and your actual question. And the answer needs room too. The model's reply has to fit in the same bag. So what happens when it's too full? A chatbot usually drops the oldest stuff to make room. A raw API call just refuses and throws an error. Here's the part that trips people up. Whatever gets dropped is gone. The model doesn't see a hole. It answers like that text was never there. Now, a bigger bag sounds like the easy fix. It's not that simple. Even when everything fits, where it sits matters. Models pay the most attention to the start and the end. Bury something in the middle, and it can get half ignored. And a bigger window isn't free. More tokens means more money and a slower reply on every single call. Let's make it real. A support bot's been chatting for an hour. Way back in the first message, the customer gave their order number. 50 messages later, the bag is full. To fit the new stuff, the app quietly drops that first message. So the bot asks for the order number again. The customer already gave it. It just looks forgetful. So what do you do about it? First, pack the bag on purpose. Don't shove the whole manual in there. Summarize the old chat. Keep just the page you need and leave out the rest. Second, know your model's limit and put the important stuff where it survives. Keep the key instructions near the top or the very end, and reach for a bigger window only when the job really needs one. So a context window is just a bag with a weight limit. Everything you send shares it, and what doesn't fit gets left at the counter. Budget that space like you'd pack a bag, and your feature stops forgetting things. Next up, what these tokens really are.